completion of 1 year of demonetization, how it has helped the state or the country as a whole?
See, there are two issues to the issue. First is the demonetization of money. See, the perspective what was done, maybe it has not got an effect. But there is a fear among the society that Honorable Prime Minister can do it again. And stashing of black money, in the first experience of what he has done, maybe he has improved more and he might do it anytime again. And that time he will bring a lot of curves. So keeping money at home may not be done. Secondly, what has happened is the idea of digitalization, using of machines, using more on online transactions, is not taking that effect because our population is too much. And you know that mobile network, which is the main concern, people work or internet banking, what is required, is requires an efficient service of towers, cable network, which is not there right now. So it will take some time to actually see. GST is the other part of it. Today benefits are not coming to people because it is taking time. So down the line, in 6 months time when everything falls in place, both these issues, demonetization, giving of the money and demonetization and GST, will have effect after 6-7 months.